No, that's the lower level of the building.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. And I've not seen the roof deck, but if you want to cruise up there and check it out, feel free.
Oh, it's open?
I think, I don't know, I've not
Might
seen
be
it
a
with my
fob.
own eyes. It might be, I don't know if it's a fob, it might be. Everybody said they're gonna go look at it.
Yeah.
And it might not be open yet, because I know a lot of them don't open till.
Well, just to be frank, did anyone actually say they were going to do something yet or no?
That they were gonna what, sorry?
Something not yet. No.
Yeah, I mean, and it's not an app you can send out, we don't, because you're renting directly from the owner, so we get an offer. So if you love it, just a little bio, employment history, your desired move-in date. We're saying April 15th is realistic based on it being a condo, not a co-op. But yeah, we have about 3 or 4 people that said they're ready to rock and roll.
I'll show you the
so.
sense of that.
That's the sense. But we wanted to do today and call everything, and
Yep.
then we'll give it to the owner. We do run credit background on everybody before we get to lease signing,
Right.
and then the lease application we do after that.
Perfect.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Amy. Sorry, I'm
Adam.
talking too much.
No, all good.
Nice to meet
nice
you.
to meet you. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Janine.
Janine.
Hi,
Yeah.
Janine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
We've had quite a number of people come through.
Yeah, it's busy. It's our first day of showing,
Right.
and it's been pretty clamorous response.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. New York is back.
Yeah.
Never really left, but I mean, I was here the whole time, but a lot of people split. So it's a brand new reno, including appliances, furniture. I don't know if you need un or furnished, but yeah, the owners were going to have it as a pied-à-terre, and they swapped out with the appliance. So
Right.
So
Okay.
this was not initially here. They made it into one went
Yeah.
back.
Yeah. How about I think I saw new pets. So,
No pets for the owners. The building, unfortunately, we can't manipulate templates for buildings like on Street Easy. It just is what it is.
Right.
So if the building allows it, but